Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off today's presentation with a look into the future of education. Today, we'll explore a very intriguing topic, a deep dive into the future of education, focusing on next-gen AI. We'll discuss how artificial intelligence is transforming learning experiences, personalization, and the role of educators. So, let's get started and discover what lies ahead. Let's dive into what makes next-gen AI truly groundbreaking. First, it's capable of reasoning, planning, and making adaptive decisions. This means it can analyze complex situations, come up with strategies, and adjust its actions based on new information. It's not just following preset rules anymore, it's thinking on its feet. Next, it understands multiple forms of communication simultaneously, whether it's text, voice, images, or videos. So, it can interpret and respond to different types of input all at once, making interactions much more natural and intuitive. And importantly, it learns from real-time student data. This enables it to optimize teaching methods on the fly, tailoring learning experiences to each individual. All of these capabilities tie into the broader theme of how AI is evolving to become more intelligent, flexible, and personalized. It's no longer just about automation. It's about creating smarter, more responsive systems that enhance education and beyond. Let's take a closer look at some of the key technological components shaping the future of AI in education. First, we have large language models and cognitive engines. These are powerful AI systems that can understand and generate human-like language, enabling more personalized and interactive learning experiences. Next, there's computer vision for student engagement tracking. This technology allows us to monitor students' attention and reactions in real time, helping educators tailor their approach to keep learners actively involved. Then, we have predictive learning models for performance forecasting. These models analyze student data to predict future performance, so interventions can be timely and targeted. Lastly, generative AI plays a role in creating educational content like textbooks, quizzes, and multimedia resources, making learning materials more dynamic and adaptable. All of these elements together form what we call the AI education tech stack, an integrated framework that leverages cutting-edge AI to transform teaching and learning in meaningful ways. Let's talk about how our AI-driven personalization truly transforms the learning experience. First, the custom learning paths are updated every few minutes, which means the content adapts in real time to each student's progress and needs. This keeps the learning process fresh and relevant. Next, we have real-time assessments that provide instant remediation. So, if a student struggles with a concept, they get immediate feedback and support, rather than waiting for a traditional review. This helps reinforce understanding right when it matters most. We also implement adaptive difficulty scaling for each student. This ensures that the challenges they face are perfectly matched to their skill level, preventing frustration or boredom and promoting optimal engagement. Finally, we enhance retention through AI-guided revision cycles. These intelligently spaced reviews help reinforce learning over time, making sure that knowledge sticks. All of these elements, personalized paths, instant feedback, adaptive challenges, and smart revision, combine to create a truly tailored learning journey that maximizes each student's potential. Let's take a look at some of the powerful AI tools available for teachers today. First, we have auto-generated lesson plans and worksheets. This feature can really save time by helping educators quickly create customized materials tailored to their students' needs. It allows teachers to focus more on delivering engaging lessons rather than spending hours on prep work. Next, there's smart grading with explanations. This tool not only helps teachers grade assignments efficiently, but also provides detailed feedback and explanations. It's like having a teaching assistant that guides you in giving meaningful insights to students. Then we have classroom analytics dashboards. These dashboards offer a clear view of student progress and engagement levels. They help teachers identify which students might need extra support and understand overall class performance at a glance. All of these tools contribute to saving time, which is crucial. The more time teachers save on administrative tasks, the more opportunity they have for deeper, more meaningful interactions with their students. It's about enhancing the teaching experience and improving student outcomes through smarter use of technology. Now, let's explore how AI combined with VR and AR is transforming education through virtual labs and field trips. These technologies allow students to conduct experiments and explore environments that would otherwise be inaccessible or too costly to experience in real life. Imagine conducting science experiments, medical procedures, or engineering projects in a safe, simulated setting that feels incredibly real. Additionally, we're seeing the rise of interactive holographic teachers and assistants who can guide students in real time, providing personalized support and feedback. These immersive AI learning environments are creating engaging, hands-on experiences that make complex subjects easier to understand and more exciting to learn. Overall, this integration is opening up new frontiers in education, making learning more accessible, interactive, and immersive than ever before. Let's talk about some critical ethical and safety considerations when using AI in education. First, secure handling of student data is absolutely essential. We need to ensure that all personal information is protected and stored responsibly to maintain trust and comply with privacy regulations. Next, avoiding hidden bias in assessment is a key point. AI systems can inadvertently introduce biases, so it's important to regularly check and calibrate these tools to promote fairness and equal opportunities for all students. Human oversight plays a vital role, especially for AI-generated content. While AI can be a great aid, educators must review and supervise its output to ensure accuracy and appropriateness. This keeps the human element at the core of teaching. Transparency is also crucial. Using clear algorithms and decision logic helps everyone understand how conclusions are reached. This openness builds trust and allows us to identify and correct issues early on. Overall, these ethical and safety considerations are central to responsible AI deployment in education. They help us create a fair, trustworthy, and safe environment that truly benefits students and educators alike. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of how AI is making a difference in education. Schools that have implemented AI tutors have seen performance improvements ranging from 28 to 45%, which is quite significant. This shows how personalized learning powered by AI can really boost student outcomes. Additionally, predictive risk systems are being used to identify students who might be at risk of dropping out, allowing educators to intervene early and effectively reduce dropout rates. It's a proactive approach that can truly change lives. On the higher education front, universities that adopted AI grading tools have been able to save up to 60% of the time they usually spend on evaluation. This not only streamlines the grading process, but also allows faculty to focus more on teaching and student engagement. All these case studies highlight the global impact of AI in education, reinforcing how these technologies are transforming learning environments worldwide, making education more efficient, personalized, and accessible. Let's explore how AI is transforming education through these innovative concepts. First, imagine AI mentors guiding students along their long-term career paths. These mentors can offer personalized advice and support, helping learners navigate their unique journeys with confidence. Next, think about self-updating textbooks and curricula that adapt in real time, ensuring that learners always have access to the most current information. AI co-pilots will be embedded into every subject, acting as personalized assistants to enhance understanding and engagement. All of this points toward a future of true global classrooms without boundaries, where geography no longer limits access to quality education. Ultimately, we're moving toward autonomous learning ecosystems, comprehensive, adaptive environments that empower learners to pursue knowledge seamlessly and independently. These advancements highlight how AI is shaping a more connected, personalized, and accessible educational landscape, aligning perfectly with our overall theme of innovative learning transformation. Next-gen AI is really transforming the way we teach at every level, from elementary school to higher education. It's not just about replacing traditional methods, but enhancing them, making learning more engaging and effective. When humans and AI work together, we see a real boost in learning outcomes because we combine the best of both worlds, human insight and personalized technology. The future clearly belongs to intelligent, personalized education that adapts to each learner's needs, helping everyone reach their full potential. So, in conclusion, embracing these advancements means creating more inclusive, efficient, and impactful educational experiences for all.